a new iteration of the musical Carousel is inspired by the Johnny Depp and Amber Heard circus trial. The new version of the musical Carousel, which Time magazine once dubbed the best musical of the 20th century, was really inspired by the complete circus that was the trial of Johnny Depp and Amber Heard. The TikTok coverage of Johnny Depp and Amber Heard's defamation lawsuit served as the inspiration for the company's first live performance in nearly 2 years. The musical Carousel by Richard Rodgers and Oscar Hammerstein II tells the story of the tragic romance between millworker Julie Jordan and Carousel barker Billy Bigelow, with a side story involving Julie's friend Carrie Pipperidge and her boyfriend, the ambitious fisherman Enoch Snow. The postmodern and contemporary remake of Carousel, which Rep.PH chose Toph de Venetia to helm, was initially slated for May 2020 but was delayed due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The 460th live production by Rep.PH in 55 years features Carol Tatlong-Hari and Jayan Magdangle in the lead roles of Julie and Billy. Carrie and Enoch are portrayed by Mickey Bradshaw Vellante and Lawrence Martinez, respectively. The show's assistant director, Kyla Rivera, spoke about the show's latest adjustments during a talkback session that took place after the gala premiere of Carousel at the brand new Tanhalang Ignacio Gimenez. She focused on the effects of Depp versus Heard. In the original script, you can see how everyone actually turns out to take note of what's going on. All in the public eye, said Kyla. When you put something out there, it's also commenting on that. Your relationship problems, which will be the subject of comments from everyone. This specific instance may be seen in Lawrence's Enoch's Geraniums and the Winder piece, which he directed. In it, he asked an audience member to use a phone to capture his emotions as the ensemble members did the same. More than 100 hours of testimony from the livestream sessions have been gathered by content producers and curators for their own channels in the Depp v. Heard celebrity trial, which is the first celebrity trial to occur in the streaming era, when content reigns supreme. As a result, there are tons of trial supercuts on TikTok, frenetic hot takes on Twitter, streamers watching and memeing the trial live on Twitch, and all of the above on YouTube. The trial has amassed a startling degree of digital ubiquity online, making it difficult to ignore while also being impossible to get away from, compelling while also being intrusive. The actors Johnny Depp and Amber Heard, who were married in February 2015, have been engaged in a contentious legal battle for 6 years. The court case marks their conclusion. In May 2016, Heard filed for divorce from Depp as well as a temporary restraining order, claiming that he had verbally and physically abused her. Depp is currently suing Heard for $50 million, claiming that her 2018 op-ed in the Washington Post, in which she describes herself as a public figure representing domestic abuse, but does not specifically name Depp, was libelous and was the reason why Disney decided to fire him from the Pirates of the Caribbean franchise. Depp's assertion implies that Heard's allegation of the abuse is untrue. He has argued in court that he was the target of malicious verbal and physical assaults while they were dating. After a protracted trial earlier in the year, a Virginia jury found that a 2018 Washington Post piece written by